Like, oh, yeah. I mean, I think if we just put one right over that 4x4, boom, that sucker's gonna pop.
Agreed.
With the larger ones, is I'll put a nice bead right in the center.
Okay.
And just kind of biscuity the sides.
Right on.
And then when you go to push it,
it just spreads out.
Right on the money with that. Push it down until you get a nice steady bead. Which you should be good. I mean, that's gonna be more than enough. I mean, we can just come down and sit about right here. I think you're still gonna get more than enough. Right down that buckle. And boom. But being that surface area, I'll probably let it come down just a few more.
You bet.
I mean, 95, you'll get a good ball, especially with something that large. So the glue, it just really hates to be shocked. So if we can do like just steady tension,
gotcha.
Using the beams, we just watch it move. Yeah. So I'm gonna use this slapper. Yeah. A little bit of heat. .122, just like that. Get that chill off of it.
Right on.
Just like that. We're gonna get right up in that low spot there. I'm gonna push down until I see that bead form around it, right? Yeah, because that's definitely some high strength.